Hello, today I'm working on our 2002 Toyota Camry. This is a V6 3.0 and I'm reading a catalyst code of P0430. Let me show you in the book here. P0430, catalyst system efficiency below threshold, bank 2. So if you're reading a 420, that would be for bank 1. Okay, and this V6 here, bank 2 is going to be up here, so that's a little bit better. If I do have to replace the converter, which is right there, bank 1 is going to be back here, and that's a whole different story. So just because it reads that doesn't mean that the converter or converters are bad. First thing I'm going to do is try to change my air filter. The air filter in this car is terrible. We bought this car used, and the person that drives this car just works all the time. They don't really have a lot of time to do a lot of maintenance if they should. So I'm going to take the air filter out and let you see that. We're going to replace the filter. Also, this car was missing a bolt here that held the air box down. There's two bolts, one supposed to be here and one right here. And so that could very well trigger this code as well, because you can see the gap there. It's not completely sealed. I'm going to be trying to replace that bolt here. Also, we're going to clean this MAF sensor, mass airflow sensor here. So to do all that, got to take this off. To take this breather box off here, I've only got one bolt, as I said here, so I'm just going to take that off there. I've already got it loosened. I believe it's a 12 millimeter. After that, I've already unplugged this mass airflow sensor. Okay, I'm going to set that aside. This plug right here will come out. Already unplugged it, and then there is a hose right here. Just need to pull that off, and I've already done that as well. Now, to get the filter out, you don't have to take the box all the way, this cover all the way off. If you do, there's a few more hoses, like 3, 4 more over here you'll have to take off. We'll have to remove this booting here, and it's held on by, let me find out what wrench that is. Yeah, that is a 10 millimeter and 10 millimeters on these housing bolts here, or cover bolts. So I'm going to go ahead and take those bolts out and just loosen this one up here. Okay, with this one loosened, I've got the bolt here loosened all the way, and I can just pull up now and out here. And you can see the filter. You can see how dirty the filter is. So let's get my replacement filter. And since I'm going to be cleaning the mass airflow sensor here, I'm going to go ahead and take this away from the car. So there's going to be 4 hoses on the side over here. These hoses may need to be marked. One there, one right here, and then 2 more on this end here on the side. Yellow one is the top one. Here's a can of the mass airflow sensor cleaner that I'm going to be using. Here's some things you may want to look at if may help your car. Increases horsepower, reduces rough idle, decreases hesitation and pinging, improves fuel economy, miles per gallon. So I read the instructions here, so I'm going to go ahead and take the breather box here off the carport here, and we're going to spray the sensor inside here. And here's a look at that sensor. What I'm going to be doing is I've got the tip on the can here, the little spray, red spray tip. I'm going to spray the sensor here, the little wire there. Do not want to touch that though with the nozzle, but I'm going to give it about 10 bursts from all angles. Flip it around here and do the side in here. If you have dirty connectors, you can spray that as well. So let's go ahead and get started here. There's a couple more bursts here. Alright, now I'm going to just let this dry out. It says do not put it back on until it is completely dry, and this cleaner supposedly dries really fast, evaporates in seconds. So once it is dry, we'll put it back in place on the car. And while I'm waiting for that to dry, take a look at the two air filters. See how filthy this one is. I even shot back this out. So yes, something like this could definitely cause an efficiency below threshold on your catalyst. So hopefully this will change everything, make a big difference here. Let's go ahead and put this in now. So everything is connected now. We've got all the hoses back on. And just those two things of changing that air filter, especially being as dirty as the old one was, and cleaning that airflow sensor, can only help and possibly remove that P0430 code with the catalyst inefficiency flow or whatever that was. So that is the first thing I'm going to do. Another thing that I will try a little later is using the CataClean here. Probably do that in a separate video. You can check this out. This is supposed to clean your converters as well as sensors, cleans oxygen sensors, fuel ejectors, cleans cylinder heads. Pretty simple to use as far as the instructions go, but like I said, I'll probably use this later. I'm going to go ahead and drive it with what I've just done here so far and see if that code goes off. If not, I'll be using this, and I'll definitely make a video of this later. Thanks for watching. Hope it's been helpful, and until next time, take care guys. Have a great day.